Morning everyone. In our last video we have discussed about what is Ayurveda. Today we will discuss about Dincharya. Ayurveda has described Dincharya for a healthy life. By following it we can keep ourselves healthy. What is Dincharya? The word Dincharya is made up of two words. Dina means day, Charya means activity. Ayurvedic daily routine is called Dincharya. When we begin the day with a routine and in a planned way, it sets up for a stress-free day by helping us to keep the doshas in balance. Daily routine is necessary for maintaining a healthy mind, body and spirit. It helps in establishing a balanced constitution, aids in digestion and absorption. A disciplined life leads to peace, happiness and longevity. A day consists of two cycles, sun cycle, moon cycle. For each cycle, there are 4 periods dominated by Vata, Pitta and Kapha energies. Similarly, we have Vata, Pitta, Kapha energies within our body in various strength and combinations. Hence, it is beneficial if we can prevent activities that aggravate the cycle of Vata, Pitta and Kapha. First cycle is from sunrise to sunset, 6 am to 6 pm. And 6 am to 10 am is Kapha Pradhan. 10 am to 2 pm is Pitta Pradhan and 2 pm to 6 pm is Vata Pradhan. Wake up time is we should try to wake up 2 hours before sunrise. This is the Vata Pradhan time and Sattva Pradhan time. Quality of air is also good at this time. This period is called Brahma Muhurat. This is the best period to learn anything new. This time is beneficial for the students to learn something and for reading as they can grasp easily in this period in comparison to the rest of the day. Exception for this rule includes sick people or small kids and very old persons. We should drink 2 glasses of lukewarm water and evacuate a ball. Evacuation in the morning once you wake up is strongly recommended in Ayurveda, as waiting longer could increase the ama or toxins in the body and leads to imbalance of tridoshas and causes diseases. Cleanse your sensory organs, wash your eyes, brush your teeth and clean your tongue. Coating on tongue is a sign of ama according to Ayurveda. Nasya or neti is also recommended to clear your nose and respiratory channels. Massage oil on the scalp, forehead, temples, hands, feet and the rest of the body for your organs to function well. Daily massage makes your body strong and prevent you from premature aging. Indulge in vyayam or some sort of physical activity like light exercise, yoga, breathing exercises, etc. As early morning is Vata time, is good for flexible morning exercise, helps to remove the stagnation in the body and helps to rejuvenate your body and mind for a productive day. Bath after a while, after finishing the exercise with lukewarm water, do meditation for some time. Meditation is an important part of Ayurvedic Dincharya as it helps to increase self-awareness. Have fresh, warm and nutritious wholesome breakfast. As we have long fasting since yesterday night, our body will be depleted of all nutrients. So, a healthy breakfast is necessary to energize ourselves. It is a myth that some people skip breakfast to lose weight. Skipping the breakfast in the morning will leave us depleted of energy and lethargic. Now you can continue with your work, daily course, be it work, study or performing other activities. And in the noon should be taken between 12 to 2 pm. The sun is strongest at this time and so is our digestive fire or Agni. Having lunch at this time helps to digest the food properly. Skipping lunch or having late or irregular timings of lunch is the primary reason for many metabolic disorders. After every meal should walk a bit for the better digestion. Avoid day sleeping as it slows the process of digestion. Second cycle is moon cycle, 6 pm to 6 am. 6 pm to 10 pm is Kapha time, 10 to 2 pm Pitta time and 2 am to 6 am Vata time. This time is considered another sattvic time of the day We should finish our all planned work by this time. Do meditation for few minutes. Try to stay calm and enjoy the nature by a calm walk or looking at the beauty or splendor of the nature. This is an important time to relax and disconnect yourself from the rest of the world, at least for a short period. And dinner is in Ayurveda recommended to have dinner at least 3 hours before bedtime. Dinner should be lighter than lunch. Having dinner by 7 pm is ideal to have a better digestion as it helps to prevent the accumulation of ama or toxins in the body. Undigested food is what turns into ama, and hence it is strongly recommended to have an early dinner. Sleeping time. Ayurveda strongly recommends that we should sleep by 10 pm at night. It's kapha time of the day and our body naturally feels heavy and demand of sleep. If we miss the time and still awake, we move into pitta time or the time of intense activity and will be difficult to sleep. People suffering from insomnia are the ones who stay awake late night. 6 to 7 hours sleep is mandatory to stay healthy and to cope up with our daily course. Keep yourself healthy by following this Ayurvedic Dincharya, and you can keep yourself away from all lifestyle disorders. Thank you.